In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook login problems on a web browser. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address, phone number, or username along with the correct password. Double check for any typing mistakes before signing in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the correct verification code sent to your trusted device. Next, try signing in using a different web browser. If Facebook works in another browser, the issue may be related to current browser. Next, restart your PC to clear temporary glitches that may be preventing you from logging in. Also, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. If needed, switch to a different Wi-Fi network or use a mobile hotspot to test the connection. It's also important to keep your operating system and web browser up to date. Install any available updates, then restart your PC and try logging in again. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, temporarily disable it, as it can sometimes interfere with Facebook. If you're still unable to sign in, clear your browser's cache. For that, click on the three dots. Now click on Delete Browsing Data. Here select All Time. Make sure to check all of these three boxes, then click on Delete Data. Now, relaunch your web browser and check if that fixes your issue. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.